Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about kitchen cabinet chamfer. How to make the cabinet chamfer. Simple, you can come to custom. Okay, make sure you are in the kitchen function. Then drag a box out. Okay, after that you just right click on it. Okay, if you want to make the cabinet chamfer, right, simple, you just come to this button, cabinet chamfer. Okay, so you can do chamfer on top or on the back side or on the front side. Also can, up to you. So I'll select vertical on top. So I'll select this one. Okay, this one, just one area. Okay, select it first. Then W you can see, D you can see. Okay, as you can see, I got a pillar here also. My pillar here is 400 like the basic class. So I make it 400, and this one make it 400. Okay. Then you can see this one is the chamfer. Okay, after you're done, just exit. Okay, then you can move your cabinet to the column. Okay, simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.